Hey everyone, so I just washed my hair and I'm going to be using the tail and mane detangler. I like using this sometimes to help detangle my hair, and this video is actually going to be a product review. I did receive this free for my personal review. It's the Clairol iThrive Keratin Split End Treatment. Now it is supposed to help prevent split ends, but I honestly would have to use this for at least 1 to 2 months before I know if it actually works. So I've only used it one time so far, and as you can see, it's more of like it's kind of like a thin cream. So I didn't want to put too much on my hair because I didn't want to weigh it down, but I wanted to make sure to get it on the ends. And right now I'm using the Clairol, the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. So this, I don't know, I really don't know what to think about it, because like I said, I will have to use it for a few weeks or even a few months to even see if it helps to prevent split ends. But I just went ahead and applied it to my hair in sections and just made sure not to put too much so I didn't weigh my hair down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair, and the product, I guess it did okay as far as the results that it gave me for the first time using it. I really don't know what much to say about it because I can't really give you like definite results, but as you can see, my hair is still pretty bouncy and everything, and these are the final results of how my hair looks after I blow dried my hair. The product, it smells good. It has like a clean, fresh scent to it, and it's not too heavy. Just make sure you don't put a lot on your hair. But this is definitely something I definitely continue to look into. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.